All right, hi, my friends. All right, so all last week we have been talking about zoo animals, right? This week we're going to continue to talk about zoo animals. And today I'm going to read you a special story and give you some ideas to do with your moms and dads. So, today I'm going to focus on a specific habitat. Oh my goodness, what is a habitat? Well, a habitat is a place where an animal lives. You have a habitat too. You live at home with your moms and dads, and your home may look different than other people's homes, but it usually has a roof over your head, and you usually sleep in a bed on the inside, and that is your habitat. That's where you live. Well, animals live in lots of different places around the world. Some like hot weather, some like cold weather, some like to live in the water, some like to live in trees. They live all different places, and it makes our world such a special place. Now, today I'm going to focus on one specific habitat, and that habitat is the Arctic. Oh my goodness. I wonder what that means. Arctic. I think Arctic means really, really hot. No. Arctic means really, really cold. It means snow and ice and lots of freezing cold weather. Let's think about some animals that might live in the Arctic. I think that a monkey lives in the Arctic. No? Oh, you're right. A monkey does not like the cold weather. But guess who does? My friend, the polar bear. He loves cold weather. And you know who else likes to be in the cold weather? Penguins. They love the cold weather. And also some Arctic fox. They love cold weather. And just some different animals that live in the ocean. They like cold weather. Sea otters and some snowy owls. They like the cold weather. There are lots of animals that love to live in cold weather. Today, Miss Liz is going to read you a story, and it is about an animal that likes the Arctic weather for their habitat. I wonder which animal I'm going to choose. Give you a little peek, and maybe you can tell me what animal we're going to be reading about today. Oh, did you see it? Do you know which animal I'm going to read about? I'm going to give you a second. Maybe you can answer. Tell me. Did you say penguin? You were right. We are going to read about a penguin today. This book is so funny. It makes me laugh. This book is called Little Penguin Gets the Hiccups. Have you ever had the hiccups before? I bet you have. All right. We're going to see what happens in this story. And I'll talk about some things that you might see in the Arctic weather. Oh, hello. It's so nice to meet you. Franklin said you would be here soon. There's little penguin. And look, he is standing on an iceberg. And all of his friends are standing on the iceberg. Bet you it's very cold there. I wonder if you might be able to help. You may have noticed that I got a terrible case of the hiccups. It's driving me cuckoo. It all started last week on chilly night. I'm not sure how many penguins you know, but let me give you some advice. Oh my goodness, he has the hiccups. Never give chili to a penguin. it gives us the hiccups. Oh my goodness. I can't get rid of them. Frederick told me to stand on my head. Chester told me to drink backwards from a cup. Albert told me to stand on my head while drinking backwards from a cup. Nothing worked. But Franklin has given me a new idea, and I need your help. Apparently, giving someone a good scare is the surest, bestest way to cure hiccups. So I need you to scare me. Do you think you can scare me? I bet you can. But I don't really like being scared. So be nice. You're going to say boo on 3. Ready? Okay, you say boo on 3. I want to hear you. 1, 2, 3. Did you say boo? Boo! Is that it? Let's try again. Louder this time. 1, 2, 3. Boo! Oh, did you say it too? Good job. Pretty scary. Maybe that cured my... Oh my goodness. Nothing's getting rid of these hiccups. Ugh. Will I have hiccups forever? One more time. Shout. Go crazy. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Roar! Oh my goodness. I think that he scared him. Did it scare you too? Franklin, what on earth are you doing? You told me to stand here and wait for a good scare, and then you go and jump out on me, so now my feathers are all wet, and my mom will go bonkers because she just washed these the other day. Now I'll have to wait until I'm ready to be scared again. Hey, hold on a second. What happened? Do you know what happened? My hiccups are gone! Oh, thank you so much. Let's celebrate with a nice, spicy taco. Oh no, he ate all of the tacos and look. Oh! He has the hiccups again. Oh no. Look at him. He is so silly. So you see, penguins live in the Arctic. That was a silly book. I do love that one. But you can look at the pictures and see kind of what the Arctic habitat looks like. Isn't that wonderful? All right, so my friends, whenever you get done with this book today, I would like you to please do the activity that I have on the lesson plan page. Now, the activity is, oh, this is so silly. It's a 2-day activity, so you have to make sure that you be patient and wait, okay? So I want you to get a bowl or some kind of a container that can go in the freezer. I want you to pick something out, probably a plastic toy would be best. I want you to put the plastic toy into the container. And then I want you to fill the container with water. After you fill the container with water, I want you to put the whole thing into the freezer. Then you have to wait all night long. And in the morning, you can get your container out of the freezer. And I want you to try and save whatever you put into that container. Okay, so you're going to have to work together with moms and dads, and maybe your brother or sister could help you out, but you can use a tool, you can use hot water, you can use whatever you think that will help you save whatever you put, the toy or whatever you put inside of that container, because guess what's going to happen? Your toy is going to be frozen in ice, and you're going to have to get it out. I want you guys to tell me and show me a picture of you getting your toy out of the ice. Whenever you do that, send it to Miss Liz, and I'll make sure I put it on my website. I hope you guys enjoyed my book today. Bye, friends.